it's kind of fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is the day we're going to make some noise. We're going to shoot the Tannerite. We're going to try something a little different as described. I got 2 pounds of Tannerite. I got my jug. I got a small piece of saran wrap here. And I've got the blue powder. So the plan is I'm going to mix up the Tannerite in the bigger one here, and then we're going to pour it in the yellow. I've got a piece of saran wrap. We'll take the saran wrap, we'll put the saran wrap on top of the Tannerite and put the blue powder on top of the Tannerite, because I'm not sure if mixing it would contaminate or maybe affect the Tannerite from exploding like it's supposed to. So we'll put the saran wrap in there just to give it something between. That way we'll eliminate the chance of contaminating the Tannerite and it not work properly. So open up your this is ammonia powder, pretty much the same thing as ammonia powder, and I'm going to use both packs of aluminum powder. Ammonia, is it ammonia nitrate? I believe it's ammonia nitrate. So let's see. There we go. Okay, got some there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the ammonia nitrate in the bigger one here. Get about half of it in there. I'm going to pour 1 packet of the aluminum powder in. You can do it however you want to. This is not a how-to, this is just how I'm doing it. That way, it makes it a little easier to shake up and mix up. Now you can shake this stuff as hard as you want to. It will not detonate. It has to be a projectile from a rifle traveling at 2,000 feet per second or greater. Okay, that one's in. We'll shake it up. Okay, so that's pretty well mixed up. Okay, I'll pour the rest of it in. Now I want to put the second pack inside. Got it poured in there. It's very powdery, so be careful. Put the lid on. Shake, 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 shake. This is the rest of the blue powder I had left over from the Sonic Boom gender reveal. I'll shake for a minute. Okay, it looks like it's all pretty well covered. You don't see any white little beads in there. It's all gray. Okay, Domino sugar container. It's empty. I already used all my sugar. Alright. So we're going to put Tannerite in here. and it put about halfway, so that'll be perfect. Seal this back up because we don't need this. We don't need any of that little powder stuff floating around anywhere. Alright, get that stuff out of the way. Now, here's my little piece of saran wrap. All I want to do is put it down inside the domino container. Just a little barrier to keep the blue powder from getting down inside the Tannerite, because I don't want them to mix. So, I'm going to kind of poke it down in there all the way around. And I guess as long as if you did get a little bit in there, it probably wouldn't make a difference. You know, but you don't want to dump a pound of blue powder in there. And I'll show you what I got here. You don't want to dump a pound of blue powder in there. Take a chance of contaminating your Tannerite and it not working. So you can see I kind of got it in there like that. And now we're going to take, be careful opening this because this stuff is just like chalk. Thank you, Dick. Okay, it is very fine and it will go everywhere, so we're going to put this out here on the ground just in case, because I think the old lady will probably get pretty upset if I got blue chalk powder all in her car. So we're going to put that in there. Let's see. That is perfect. So that is about, this stuff came with right at a pound of blue powder. I think it was a quarter pound of Sonic Boom explosive, which they try to make it seem like it's Tannerite, but it's not, so don't be confused. Okay, so there's no mixing. The Tannerite is under that. The powder is on top, separated. So when I aim, I'm going to shoot about in the middle, or a little low. And I'm going to, when I hit the Tannerite, it should make a very nice domino container explosive. Alright guys, we're going to get this set up, and I'll turn you back on for the main event. See you in a second. Alright guys, so you see D down there, that little speck right yellow on my post, that is the Tannerite. Okay, we'll zoom back out. So I'm going to step up, I'll fire. I got the camera kind of pointed up so you'll be able to see the blue. All as it goes is right, as planned. Alright, here we go.
Right there.
Right there.
It's still, I mean, if... Oh, you're recording.
Well, there you go. I would say that was a success this time. It definitely made a blue cloud. Alright, we'll be back. We'll go and see if we can find anything left over. Alright, y'all, check that out. So, if you could not tell, Tannerite has a pretty good cloud itself. It makes a good white cloud, especially 2 pounds of it. Let's go down here and check out the post. Looks like it might have mangled up the post a little bit. There's nothing like shooting 2 pounds of Tannerite. Oh, there's a piece. That's part of the lid. Oh, there's more. Holy moly.
Knocked a couple of inches off.
It knocked a good bit because it did look like that.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it was about like that.
Yeah.
That might be 3 inches. Yeah, something like that. Chopstick.
So, if it'll do that to a 4x4 treated timber, imagine what it would do to you. That's like I said last time I shot this stuff, guys. Y'all have got to be safe. You got to use caution with stuff like this, because if it'll do that, imagine what it would do to your arm, or just, you know, whatever else, anything. So I think that was a success. We'll do that for the gender reveal. I may use more powder, maybe get a little bit more of maybe a slightly bigger container, and maybe use 1.5 pounds of powder and 2 pounds of Tannerite. Either way, that worked. So until next time, guys, y'all stay safe, protect your family, stay tuned for more great content coming your way, and I'll see y'all on the next